Hi, today I'm doing a small social experiment on mobile screen time with all the possible viewers. The idea is to understand how we do not have time to do things which we love and how we all are a part of mobile addiction. So let me tell you what is mobile screen time. Well, it's the number of hours we spend in front of our mobile device. So let's start with a small analysis. Out of 24 hours, we sleep for around 7 to 8 hours in a day. 3 to 4 hours of eating, traveling, health activities, grooming and other activities. Now we are left up with 10 to 12 hours in which we are working, learning and rehearsing something. So more or less we all are engaged with something or the other for the entire day. Usually we all feel that we have 1 or 2 hours of mobile screen time. So I decided to do an experiment with my friends and family to give them shock of their lives. So what do you think? What is your mobile screen time?
45 minutes. Half an hour.
Might be around 4 to 5 hours.
2-3 hours, not more than that.
I am on social media because of my work, so I think a little more, but somewhere around 3-4 hours, that's it.
Go to setting and there is an option called digital well-being and parental controls. Screen time, yesterday's screen time.
Digital well-being, okay.
Do I have to go to some other thing in this, because this is showing 9 hours?
It is my phone, but I do not use my phone for this long. 5
How
hours.
much? Show me. Show it on the camera.
11 hours.
It's 6 hours and 15 minutes.
That's as much time I have in the entire day.
I don't know, it's a prank.
This has to be for a week.
But maybe because I watch Netflix and all, at night, that's...
How much time do you spend? I mean, what is your screen time?
This is what it is. So most of the people watching this content might be surprised to see their screen time. Now it's time to see your screen time. If you're using Android device or iOS device, you have to go to setting. In Android, there is an option called digital well-being and parental control. And in iOS phones or Apple phone, there is an option of screen time. Just click on that and you will know the screen time of your device. Surprised? I'm sure you'll be surprised to see your own mobile screen time. It might be 4 hours, 5 hours and even 10 hours in some cases. But you'll be more surprised to know that 1 to 2 hours are considered to be okay mobile usage. So it's time to stop this addiction, or else we are heading towards a disastrous space. Every activity and an extra hour spent on mobile is affecting our mind, generating carbon footprints and affecting our physical health. Social media companies have created tools and artificial intelligence to keep us glued to our mobiles to make billions of dollars. Even though I am a content creator and your addiction to mobile will give me more views, but this is not the kind of community we should build together. So it's time we should come out of this myth, go to our settings and restrict our app and mobile usage. Put and click right locks and controls on different apps and your mobile usage. Spend your time with your family and friends and doing things which are important to you. If not handled with care, this civilization will soon end and we will be the reason. So please go to your settings, see your exact screen time, write it below in the comment and take a pledge that by how many hours you are going to reduce it. And let's support this entire campaign with the hashtag, which will be #IWillControlMyScreenTime. That's it for this story. See you next week. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive.